Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand, the 3-door sliding door refrigerators. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length is about like 78 inches wide. And the overall height is about like 80 and 1/4 inches tall. And the depth of the unit is about like 31 inches deep. So as we can see, the unit is coming with LED banners on top of it. So they have a light switches right these places. And also they do have a sliding doors for all 3 of those. And we can see they have a slightly can shove the auto close. Also the unit is coming with about like 4 shelvings, adjustable heights on each of the doors. So total will be 12 shelvings. And also they do have a digital controllers at the bottoms. And when we opened it, the inner side, the depth, it is about like 24.5 inches deep and about like 74.5 inches wide. For the overall heights, they are almost about like 48.5 inches tall. And also we can see they do having 2 big air circling fan in the top of the units, and inner side on the side, they do having the LED light strips on the side too. So we're looking at the behind of the units at the bottoms. We do have the ETL sanitation stickers, and they do have the manufacturer of the power cord using the standard 110 plugs, and all the compressor informations. You can see the cut sheets, and the units have the coil system mounting at the bottom too. So that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.